In this video, I'm going to show you the entire drive from Los Angeles, California to Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm going to give you the top 10 tips you need to know for this drive. This drive is one of the most popular routes in the United States, with hundreds of thousands of drivers making the trip each year. So whether you're a seasoned driver or a newcomer, these trips will help make the most of your journey. Number 1. The first thing to know is that the distance between Los Angeles and Las Vegas is roughly 270 miles. That drive usually takes about 4.5 hours, depending on the traffic conditions, weather, and your driving speed. Make sure you plan your trip accordingly, factor in enough time for breaks and rest stops along the way. Number 2, the route. The most common route to Las Vegas from Los Angeles is to take Interstate 15 North. This highway is well maintained, well signed, and has plenty of gas stations, rest stops, and food options along the way. Be aware that there may be tolls. Just kidding, there's no tolls, so don't worry. Number 3, the weather. Before hitting the road, check the weather forecast for both Los Angeles and Las Vegas. The climate in these two cities can be vastly different, with Los Angeles being more temperate and Las Vegas being much hotter and drier. Make sure to bring appropriate clothing, sunscreen, and plenty of water to stay hydrated. Number 4, the traffic. As with any major highway, traffic on Interstate 15 can be heavy during peak travel times. Plan to leave early in the morning or later in the evening to avoid the rush hour traffic. Keep in mind that traffic is usually heavier during holiday and weekends, so plan accordingly. Number 5, the speed limit. The speed limit on Interstate 15 varies through the route. In some areas, it can be as high as 80 miles per hour, while in others, it might be lower. Make sure to pay attention to the posted sign limits and adjust your drive speed setting accordingly. Number 6, gas stations. There are plenty of gas stations along the way, so you won't have to worry about running out of gas. However, gas prices may vary depending on the location, so make sure you fill up before leaving Los Angeles or wait till you get closer to Las Vegas, where gas prices will be lower. Number 7, food. There are plenty of food options along the way, from fast food restaurants to sit-down restaurants. Make sure to take breaks and grab a bite to eat to stay energized and focused on the road. Additionally, pack some snacks and drinks to avoid getting hungry or thirsty while driving. Number 8, the scenery. The drive from Los Angeles to Las Vegas, some would say, is boring, but it does offer some of the most stunning scenery in the United States. From desert landscapes to mountains and valleys, I've even seen snow. You'll be amazed the natural beauty in the area. Make sure to take breaks and enjoy the scenery along the way. It is unique. Number 9, the safety. Driving on the highway can be dangerous, so make sure to take precautions to stay safe. Wear your seatbelt, obey traffic laws, and avoid distractions such as texting or talking on the phone while driving. Additionally, make sure your vehicle is in good condition and carry a first aid kit and emergency supplies just in case. Number 10, don't forget to have fun. Finally, driving from Los Angeles to Las Vegas can be fun and exciting. Whether you're going to gamble, see a show, or explore the city, Las Vegas has something for everyone. So make the best of your time. Make sure to make it a trip you won't forget. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.